Greetings, esteemed audience. Allow me to introduce you to Around the World News Channel, where we delve into the intricacies of establishing an impactful presence on the vast expanse of YouTube. With a staggering 2 billion monthly users, this platform has enormous potential for fostering an active community and elevating your brand to new heights. Now, without further ado, let us embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of crafting a successful YouTube channel. Building a thriving YouTube channel is no small feat, but with a strategic approach and a passion for content creation, you can turn your dream into a reality. Here are the 5 essential steps to launching a successful channel. Step 1. Pinpoint your niche and ideal audience. The first and arguably the most crucial step in constructing a fruitful YouTube presence is to determine your niche and target audience. Ask yourself, what topics do you have a genuine interest in and what kind of content do you envision creating? Narrowing down your area of focus will ensure that you're knowledgeable about the subject matter, and that you can consistently produce content that resonates with your audience. For instance, if you have a love for cooking, consider launching a cooking channel that covers recipes, cooking tips, and all things food related. Step 2. Establish an optimized channel. Now that you've identified your niche, it's time to create an optimized channel that accurately reflects your brand and content. Add a profile picture, header image, and a comprehensive channel description that includes keywords. That will make it easier for viewers to find your channel when they search on YouTube. For instance, if your cooking channel is your passion, make sure to include keywords such as recipes, cooking tips, and food in your description. Step 3. Plan and craft high-quality content. At the heart of every successful YouTube channel is high-quality content that is well-researched, engaging, and offers value to your audience. Plan your content in advance, using tools like scripts, storyboards, or shot lists to help you organize your ideas. Consider producing a series of videos that teach viewers how to cook various dishes and share cooking tips and tricks. For instance, if cooking is your passion, you can plan a video series that covers different cuisines, cooking methods, or holiday-themed recipes. Step 4. Spread the word and engage with your audience. Once you start producing content, it's crucial to promote your channel and interact with your audience. Share your videos on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and participate in online communities and forums related to your niche. Respond to comments and feedback to engage with your viewers and establish a connection with them. Step 5. Monitor your performance and refine your strategy. Finally, regularly analyze your performance to track your views, engagement, and audience demographics using tools like YouTube Studio and Google Analytics. Use the insights you gather to improve your content and grow your channel. If a certain type of content resonates well with your audience, consider producing more of it, and if a certain approach isn't working, adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a strategic approach. Remember to define your niche, establish an optimized channel, plan and produce high-quality content, spread the word and engage with your audience. And monitor your performance and refine your strategy as needed. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one, and share it with friends and family who may be interested in launching their own successful YouTube channel.